heard the story about the hare and the tortoise? Yeah, that's the same one where we were always taught in school to be slow and steady like the tortoise. But no one ever heard the hare's side of the story, right? So I had a chat with the hare, and this is what he had to say. He said he got challenged by the tortoise and he just took off because he knew he had all the speed. And then he sort of was leading so much. He said, let me just take a little stroll in the lovely woods. And as he was walking around, he came to a meditative old sage who asked him a few questions. So the sage asked him, why are you running? And he said, well, I just want to be known as the fastest hare in the world. That's why. And so the sage asked him, what do you achieve by being the fastest? He said, well, I'll earn so much money and maybe fame and maybe I'll come onto social media. And then the old man said, you live in a forest which is full of food, full of nature. You have everything that you need. Are you sure you want to do this? And that made the hare think. And the next time he asked the hare another question. He said, tell me, do you think in 1,000 years from now, anybody will remember the name of the fastest hare or the fastest snake or the fastest elephant? And the hare thought for a while and said, 1,000 years? Nobody remembers even in 100 years. And that made the hare think. And then finally, the man asked the hare, tell me, what is it that you truly want to do? And the hare thought for a while and said, the truth is I live in this beautiful forest. I want to play with my friends. I don't spend enough time with my family. I don't really do the things that I do because I'm constantly competing. Familiar? Well, that's the story of our life, right? But I'd just like to bring something to your attention. Remember, life is a marathon. It's not a sprint. And so is your career. Yes, it's good to be consistent. It's good to take those small steps. But the larger question is, are you going in the right direction? Where do you think you're going to end up? So take a while. The important thing today is to get as much experience as you can. Do different things. Figure out what your true calling is. And then once you're sure you're heading in the right direction, be consistent and regular. But a lot of us are just running around like that hare without direction, right? So if you'd like to truly figure out what you want to do in your career or life, just reach out. Maybe we can have a chat. Just book an appointment on my Calendly system and let's get talking. Who knows what the world has to offer and how your life might shape up. Interested? Look forward to hearing from you. And if you're watching this on social media, share this so that maybe somebody else can get benefited. And if you're watching this on YouTube, just like and subscribe to my channel. Hopefully, you'll get a lot more videos that might resonate with you. Cheers till we meet again.